of Sir Gui, since Guy has spoken ill of me, I shall speak of him likewise. For in his own lodging he robbed Raymond de Saint Marty. And Sir Raymond de Nerin he robbed there likewise. From Catalonia he made him come here. Now hear from how far he draws water to his mill. Then he took my lady Hines, and see how he slew her. He let her lose the land in which no man ever saw better. For he did not have it claimed neither at evening nor at morning. At Agos he vanquished her with great disaster. So it is said, the old disinherited one, his neighbors call him. And if any man distances him, he would not give a nag for him, never. Since he abandoned the cross, did I hold him for a pilgrim? You have heard what Lord Rikas Nova says of me. He reasoned ill for himself, and it is right likewise that I speak it of him, since he has spoken it of me. I know well that there will be no king's mercy for John, for he sent us here shamefaced and with bowed head, and for the shame he did him, he robbed on the road a burgher who was guiding him, and is present here today. And then I heard it said that he pledged to the Viscount that he would never part from him until the day of the end. Then he went there to take, for which the Viscount thanks him. And though he is a rich man, in this he failed, and he has failed in other things, so his neighbors tell me. But though I know myself poor, one thing I assure you, never to gain land did I slay my cousin.